The world is changing, steadily and ever faster. Digitalization is becoming a crucial asset. What about us? We've been part of this transformation for a long while. How can a business not just keep up with the competition, but actually set the pace? How can I sustainably optimize value-adding processes in my business? How can simulation improve my product development? How can we make processes leaner in all our business units? At what specific junctures can automation optimize my manufacturing? How can we manage business information across dispersed locations and industrial ecosystems? How can a digital twin help me to mirror real-world processes precisely? Can I find a partner who really understands my processes and offers me all-round advice? Who can implement innovative technologies and leverage digitalization to make my business sustainable and successful, now and in the long term?